Hey there, it's Frank Chanda here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I review websites and apps that claim you can make money online. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share this video because you don't want to keep this money making knowledge all for yourself, right? Alright, today we are talking about WalkWard, the app that claim you can make money just by walking. Yep, you heard that right. So can you really cash in on your daily steps? I will dive into that. By the end, I will also share what I believe is the best way to make money online. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But before I jump into the WalkWard review, let me ask you this. How would you like to get paid just for walking from your living room to the fridge? Sounds like a dream, right? Stick around because we're about to find out if WalkWard is as good as it sounds, or is just another way to weigh out your sneakers with no pay at the end. So what exactly is WalkWard? WalkWard is an app that claims to reward you for every step you take. Whether you are walking around the block, running errands, or even pacing before the big meeting, it is just about raking up those steps. Here is how it works. The app tracks your steps and convert them into points. Later, you can redeem those points for gift cards or cash via PayPal. Not bad, right? But, and it is just a big but, how much are we talking about? Well, you are not going to be buying a yacht anytime soon. On the average, you might get few bucks a month depending on how many steps you take. So unless you are running a marathon daily, don't expect to quit your daily job just yet. Okay, so how do people make money with WalkWard? There are three main ways. Work and earn, pretty straightforward. You work, you earn point, you can cash out. But as I said, it's not going to make you rich. Referral program, now we are talking. You can refer friends and family, and when they sign up and start working, you get a percentage of their earnings. This is like promoting WalkWard to people and earning commission. It is just like affiliate marketing, which I'm gonna show you how it works at the end of this WalkWard review. Special offer. Sometimes WalkWard partner with companies that offer bonus points for trying out different services and products. But keep in mind, some offer require spending money first, so weigh your pros and cons. So yeah, it's cool, but it's really a long-term money maker. I will be honest with you, it's more like a fun side hustle that may cover a few coffees or a new pair of socks. Now here is where things get interesting. WalkWard is fine, but I've got something that blow it out of the water. Let me ask you, why just work for pennies when you could be earning really life-changing commission online? I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Now, before you hold your eyes, hear me out. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products online, and when someone buys through your affiliate link, you get paid. The best part, you don't need to create your own product or deal with customer service. You just sit back and collect commissions. And don't worry, you don't need to be an internet whiz to get started. I have got just a thing for you, my 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp, where you learn everything you need to start earning those sweet commission online. So why affiliate marketing? Let me break it down. No big investment. You don't need thousands of dollars to start, just a laptop and some Wi-Fi. Once your content is out there, people can keep clicking and buying 24/7. That is money while you are sleeping, my friend. With WalkWard, you can only work so much in the day, but with affiliate marketing, there is no limit of how much you can earn. Your earnings grow as you promote more and more products. And the best part, you can do affiliate marketing alongside apps like WalkWard. So while you are earning few cents working, you're also building a system that could pay you for years to come. Alright, let's wrap this up. WalkWard is fun and all, but if you are serious about making money online, like really making money online, affiliate marketing is where it is at. Don't believe me? Check out my 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp where I will walk you through the step-by-step on how to get started. Let's be real. Why not work and earn? but at the same time build something that actually going to pay you off in the long run. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumb up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn all those notifications so you don't miss my next review of another money making app. Until next time, keep working, keep earning, and start building that online empire. I'm Frank Chanda, and I will see you in the next video.